Hello guys, welcome to Vindhya's Unicorn. Now, this fabric is known as cambric, and at that time it was grey. It's mean unprocessed fabric. So we have to first process it to make dyeable, and for that we make it RFD. RFD when we done RFD, after that we dye, and that was the matching of that fabric which we have to dye. It's mean that cambric was dyed in that color. It's green, dark green. And now after that dye, this fabric is look like that color. It was so amazing of that process we have to do for that dye process.